This is my fourth attempt to videotape this vise. These fishers, even though it's only 83 pounds, are so damned awkward. So anyway, this is a Fisher & Norris number 3. A little bit of an S-curve in the handle. One jaw's been replaced, but it was well done. You can see they've cut it out and put it on a shelf. It's nicely secured. Wish they had done both, but they didn't. It's got a date on the back, 1878. There's none of the typical broken pieces on the back, which is really typical for these vises. The chain is original and intact. I'll open it up, hopefully. So it opens and shuts. I got a little bit of play in here. Which is also a little typical. That's it. So, $350. Thank you.